Hey Primary 6 Math Prodigies, this is Coach Saiful with your daily dose of math mastery. So, we're on to speed again. Now this time I'm going to go into level 2 speed. Alright, the question yesterday was a little tough for some of you, as I've noticed. A lot of wrong answers, but let's get this straight. Let's get it right, okay? So, I'm going to move on to yesterday's question. Yesterday's question was basically this, and the answers for those of you who are waiting for it, the answer is A is 9:38 a.m. and for B the answer is 1,200 meters. If you got it right, high five, you are a math prodigy. Good job. Now this is a little tough, so let's start doing this. Let's imagine for a while that Mike started climbing up a mountain. What happened there? Okay. Let's start imagining that Mike actually began climbing a mountain. Give me a second here. Something is a bit off. Okay, I see what's wrong. What's the problem here? Okay, let's delete this and here we go. Okay, so Mike started climbing up a mountain of height 1,600 meters at 50 meters per minute. At the same time, John started climbing down the same mountain at 150 meters per minute. So let's draw a little mountain over here. I'm going to use the color brown. I don't know why, but let's just imagine that this is the mountain. Yes, it's a triangle basically. And there is John who is climbing down. So John is here. Okay, John is here. And he started climbing downwards. And then of course there's Mike. Mike is here and he climbed upwards. So he's climbing upwards, okay? Now, he is traveling at a speed, he's climbing upwards at a speed of 50 meters per minute. Okay? And this guy over here is climbing down at a much faster rate of 150 meters per minute. I guess it's easier. I don't know. Okay. Now, if they both started at 9:30 a.m., so the time now is 9:30 a.m. 9:30. Okay. At what time will Mike pass John? Now, use the same principle that we did, that we learned yesterday. All we have to do is add the two numbers together. So first step is to add these two speeds together, 150 and 50. So we add them together, what do we get? We get 200 meters per minute. And then we divide it by, we take this distance, which is 1,600, we divide it by 200 meters per minute to know what? To know how long it took, and hence it took 8 minutes. Okay, 8 minutes equals, you plus 30, to 9:30, what do you get? You get 9:38. So that's the first answer. Mission accomplished, okay? Now, for part B, how far away from the top will John be when he passes Mike? So now Mike will pass John in 8 minutes, correct? Now, how far away from the top? From the top, answer is very important. From the top will John be, this is John by the way, remember? This is John, and this is Mike. When he passes Mike. So let's count. In 8 minutes, how far did he travel down? So in 8 minutes, you times 150, right? So to find the distance, you just 8 times 150, and that will give you what? 1,200 meters, and that is the answer. How far away he's from the top? He's 1,200 meters away from the top. And that's the answer. So if you got it right, high five. You are a math prodigy. Good job. Now, let's do the question for the day. The question for the day is level 3. It is level 3 speed. So read this. Mr. Lim and Mr. Tim, what rhymes, eh? Mr. Lim and Mr. Tim started jogging a circular path of distance 30 kilometers, very long. They started jogging in the opposite directions. So one go to the left, one go to the right. Mr. Lim took 3 hours to complete the distance, and Mr. Tim took the same time to complete 1.5 times the distance covered by Mr. Lim. So the question is A, what was the speed of Mr. Tim? And B, if both of them started jogging at 8 a.m., at what time did they cover 20 kilometers? So what time did Mr. Lim cover 20? And what time did Mr. Tim cover 20? Alright? So it's quite, it's not really difficult, it's tedious, but it can be done. So all you have to remember is the quote of the week, which is, be slow, be steady, and win this race. With that, this is Coach Saiful signing off. You are a math prodigy. Good job.